maintenance.
No, racing. That big cam like a motherfucker. Damn, KJ, your motor fell out. You gonna need more than the seatbelt on ball the way how he drive.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
Bro, what I tell y'all, bro? Why do y'all let y'all window down, bro? How the fucking it be?
Oh, boss, I know I'll be something. Hell yeah.
I tell you that shit every time.
Jolly fuck. Bitches jolly fuck. Oh, shit.
I hope I was getting all that.
In L150, we making it twerk.
I don't make this bitch work no more.
Bitch go to work.
Yo. His ass.
Nah, where the fuck the motherfucking Little Caesars at, bro?
I think he's trying to go to the long one.
Right, and then we gonna bust another left, and then we gonna bust another right. Then we gonna be there, and then once we bust another left, yeah, we'll be there.
Oh my God. I think that's enough line at every corner, bro. Then you gotta do that at every corner.
Woo, gotta bend the wheels off that bitch.
Something wrong with this, man.
Hey, cuz, I'm doing it right.
Man, this man dummy. KJ, relax.
I'm finna bend that bitch for you.
No, he not.
I'm finna bend that bitch for you, TT. I'm finna bend that motherfucker around the corner. Tell me if I'm doing it right now, TT. Don't lie to me now. Fly to me now. Alright now, TT. Don't do me like that now, TT. TT, you that motherfucker.
Yeah, we gonna blow up off this nigga.
TT, I ain't never seen them motherfucker, TT.
KJ, don't slide it, bro.
I told TT on set, I told Papa, he don't want no smoke.
Twin with no tag is crazy.
Man, fuck with me, man. Cat though, I'm controlling the cat. Man, you better get your ass back. Controlling the cat though. Oh no, hold up. Turn me up, bro.
Yeah, stop playing.
Mike, there go your cop. Mike, see you gon' ride with the yes, yeah, I be don't ride my nigga. Oh, see.
I just got tired of hell.
No, not in this C4 scat.
Bro, you the only one with a 6'4" scat.
No, I don't. The one I'm finna get ain't no scat. I'ma lie. On 6, I'm ready to lie. This bitch a scat, nigga. On 6, on line. Gary gonna be whooping my ass out the water. I thought that would be a ED.
Nah, that I ain't gonna be whooping your ass out the water.
How about you? Go ahead, shit be like 320. Really like 370, 350. Damn, my part too far back.
I need to stop parking.
Am I in the way? I'm in the way.
I mean, shit, you can't start parking like close in the, what you call it?
Alright, bitch. Like in the grass?
Yeah.
Alright, bitch.
That's what I've been told you to do.
I want to let you know. Yeah! God damn, man.
They better not leave my mother.
God damn.
What you must just seen some ass.
I'm saying though, baby.
Not on my time.
Damn.
You must seen some cheap
On ball. On ball, she was looking at her too. Come on now, my boy. They love us. I don't see it, they love us. Hey, what's up with it, mama?
Show on my watch, mama.
Bro, something wrong with your ass.
See, I know these C-posts get out of racing it. Pop it, G6. Walk hard, chasing it. On 6, I'm finna chase that walk hard. On 6, nigga. On 6, nigga. On 6, nigga. On 6. On 6. On 6.
Your ass must took a perk.
No, I took a yerk.
I just know you do that, big wild.
I need to.
Now this shit different, ain't finna teach you how to swipe a card. I was knee deep in the scamming niggas, but it's still a card. First lick, was a Hellcat, did it, have me ducking low. If you ever felt the chain, I drop it, make your neck fall up. I was whipping into slow shit until I drove a Charger. I'm a real.
Hey, he got the wheel. Look.
On boss, I seen it. I ain't even get that shit.
On set.
Ooh, we overly doing it.
Man,
He was just doing them
set.
side to
On
side
boss, I'm finna
bitches.
beat his ass, boy. He learned that from me, bro.
Shit. Yeah, I left my glove.
Shit, we left the glove and
I always keep on them.
come on in. I don't see my nigga grip master.
No, not me.
No homo.
You got that bit of part 5 so they can see everything?
Come on in.
Striker boy, I always keep a child of phone playing.
Come on in, grip master.
Shut your
Hold up in the pop and have me see doctors. Fuck rapping diamonds, it's so hard, I'm finna be a boxer. I'm the richest in my class, so I could never care. So much money spent up on my closet, I don't know what to wear. Niggas talking paper in my presence, let me grab a chair. The police want my demon drop the lowest just to make it fair. Don't you ever call my FaceTime, you gotta call my cell. I don't like to show my face for
What these niggas think? What these niggas talking about?
real, that's how I went to jail. Had a scammer bitch back in Cali, I had her posting bail. 40 shells was flipping nigga car and sent him back to hell. Intro first time lacking, you got it clear. Sit in the station, I ain't saying word, I made him curious.
Young boss, you just need the mo.
Turn it up! I rather bust a strap. My man's known for taking niggas' cars to let him touch your scat. He wants to drive an hour away, that's the extra rack. If you can slide for real, go both ways and then roll it back.
Yeah, no, real like.
If you can slide for real, go both ways and then roll it back.
Bitch, that's gonna let me know something.
If you can slide for real, go both ways and then roll it back.
Yeah, little more.
Being all fast shit, I'm with my nigga Lynn. Crash a lamb truck and hurt my hand, I need to pop a 10. Just gotta do some drink, I need to pop again. All my niggas lifting heavy metal, but this is not the gym.
I just know you do that, big wild.
Now this shit different, ain't finna teach you how to swipe a card.